And when that version of you shows up, nothing, no fear, no past, no enemy will be able to stop you.
Your moment wasn't behind you. Your moment is right in front of you. And 2026 is the year you take it, but only if you're willing to do one thing that scares most people. Change.
Just do it in the name of moving to your potential.
You were not born to lose, you were born to win. You're a winner. You were born to be great. Believe it.
I need you to focus on why you were born in the first place. What are you doing here?
There are dreams and there are goals and there are things that you were born to achieve and that you were born to do.
Get up! Are you listening to me? Get up right now! Get up right now from your misery! Get up right now and start climbing! Get up right now and recognize who you are! Get up right now and climb!
This is that new year.
All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get started. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. So we're going to start first day of first quarter, new month. That is why I'm doing this call, because it is a new month. So we're going to start with the monthly on gold. We got the monthly high for gold at 43.56.13. We got the monthly low. We got the monthly low at 4119.29. So we got the high, 43.56.13. The low at 4119. The monthly low is 41,119.29. Given a mid-month resistance of 4237.71. So that's what your month should look like for January. So just to make sure everything along, we're going to redo the weekly. The weekly should be set at the week's high at 4549.77. The week low, 4274.23. 45.49.77. Week's low 42.74.23. Midweek should be 44.12. So this is how gold should look right now. We have it under the midweek level of resistance, but we also have it rejecting right here from the monthly high. It's probably gonna break this monthly high for gold. We had it on a 4-day sell trend right here. It's showing a trend for sell, but I'm looking for gold to break this trend. After we had a retest right here on gold. If I delete this line, you can see it here on a weekly low. It retested price right here, giving us indication for buying. So I'm anticipating gold to buy. We got a new 4-hour candle happening in about 24 minutes. But I'm looking for gold to show for buy. I don't intend to go into London session. That's why it's marked over here at the 6 o'clock candle. I don't typically enter in before London, but I'm anticipating a buy. We got a retest on both the 4-hour and the 4-hour retesting on this right here inside this order block here on the daily. That is also an order block there that it retested into.
Can I enter on Friday?
Huh?
Tomorrow. Can I enter on Friday? Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. But I mean, London meaning like London session. I will enter in during London session. No. During London. This is the area where it bought out of. You see? I'm gonna move over to mark up DXY.
So we're doing another chart markup on Sunday.
Yeah, for the week, not for the month. So right now we're doing the monthly because it's the first day of a new month. It's the first day of January, also the first quarter of the year. That's why we was doing the call. That's why the call was today.
Gotcha.
So the monthly high for the DXY is 98.929. Monthly low is 98.145. The high, 98.929. The low, 98.145. Given a mid-month resistance of 98.537. Just making sure the weekly is accurate. So the weekly is accurate. We got the DXY is indicating that it's really about to drop. Like it's about to sell, or yeah. On the first quarter, we're gonna see selling for the dollar index. So we definitely can anticipate some strong buys on gold. This right here is a pattern for entry, for sell entry on a monthly chart. So we can definitely anticipate that the dollar is going to be weakening. We have it below the monthly resistance and below the weekly resistance here, rejecting off the midweek resistance here. Anticipating sell for the dollar index. That will confirm our entry for buying on gold. So we got the dollar index selling off. Gonna move over to US 30. So we got the monthly high 48,163.3. The monthly low 47,282.2. Got the high 48,163.3. We got the low 47,282.2. Giving a mid-month level of support of 47,722.8. So the weekly is aligned, weekly highs. Oh, that's correct. Okay, so the week is correct. So the 30 here was a daily buy trend there. Both of these are order blocks here. So you got a bullish order block here.
That's a doji candle.
Yeah, echoing. Yeah, it's a doji candle, but it's also the last candle before the change of direction. That's what makes it an order block, because it's the last candle or series of candles before the change of direction. That's what an order block is.
Okay.
So this is a bearish order block up here that it came out of. Right now, this is a daily bullish, daily bearish order block that is rejecting out of. So I am anticipating for it to change direction. As you can see, they came in to this level here, which is inside of a daily order block, and then that's where it's rejecting from. So I'll wait to be looking for a buy in New York session for US 30. Open this up here. No, it's not moving. Did the new month candle not come out? No, the new month candle didn't come out on that. Can't walk up now because the new month candle didn't come out yet. Oh no. Let me see if it's just a broke out. Hold up. Yeah. It's a break out. So we're gonna mark this real quick. The monthly high. $25,398.8. The monthly low, 25,031.9. So we got the high, 25,399.8. We got the low, 25,031.9. Given a mid-month resistance of 25,215.9. For the week, for the week. Weekly high of 25,678.3. Weekly low, 25,277.5. That's not the low. Hold on. Oh, yeah. 25,678.3 is the high. 25,227.5 is your weekly low. Given a midweek level of resistance of 25,452.9. Nas rejected the mid-month level of support here. A retest actually. Price retested this level right here. Looking for some buys also on Nas. It indicate we got a confirmed retest here on a 4-hour. Daily 4-hour retest. Definitely anticipating a nice buy on Nas. We got it rejecting a key level of support here, where it retested at here. So now it's also indicating a change of direction. It's already breaking the monthly high. That will be a TP1 here. And put me a TP2 here. For now. So for Friday, tomorrow, I'm definitely looking for it to at least come into here. Let me do DJ. The DJ monthly high 211 is at 355. Monthly low 205 is at 211. The high 211, 255. The low 205, 211. Given a mid-month level of support of 208.283. We got the weekly high of 211, got 391. Weekly low 209, got 510. To 11, 391, 209, 510. Given a midweek resistance of 210, got 450. Got an entry pattern right here for DJ on the daily. There was some consolidation on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The past 5 or 6 days. But the holiday is over, first quarter. And we got an entry pattern on DJ. So may very well likely break this high that is at. It's just sitting in this order block up here. So I will wait for a break above this to confirm my entry for buy on DJ. DJ be ready to enter during London session. For buy. Got an entry pattern for DJ on a daily. So this would be my area of interest for entry. On here. That's why I'll be looking at enter for buy. Little Bitcoin. The monthly high for Bitcoin is 97,063.29. The monthly low 87,361.74. The high 97,063.29. The low 87,361.74. $97,063.29. The low 87,361.74. Given a mid-month level of resistance of 92,212.52. The weekly is correct. Bitcoin has been in a consolidation, but I am anticipating for Bitcoin to start buying just based off of where it's at. It's in a higher time frame order block here. A weekly, monthly order block. So The anticipation for buy is like strong where it's at. We came in here last month making lower highs. Weekly order block. Just analyzing Bitcoin, this is the area where it's at. I'm anticipating for it to buy out of the consolidation. We got an entry pattern here on a daily chart for Bitcoin for buy. This right at that midweek level of resistance that is broken above. It's like at an entry here. I will look for an entry right around where it's at. For Bitcoin to buy. So just to recap, we got to buy for Bitcoin and buy for gold. Like I was saying, it was going to break that resistance here. Got to buy on gold. Buy on US 30. Buy on US 30. I'm going to buy on NAS. Also anticipating to buy on GJ. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this out. Any questions?
No, not.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this out. I should have this call up before London session. Okay, so over and out. Happy New Year. Let's get this money. Let's make this a profitable first quarter, y'all.
It's money.